Well, it's February 18th, 2023. And it's settlement day. So my account with Robinhood was settled, and all of my calls were exercised. So I'm back into 100% cash. And to share that screen with you. So that closes that transaction set. Just like the transaction set is a concept, so is when I close it a concept. It's cleaner to close it when I'm on all cash. And I start a brand new transaction set with my first put sales. A couple of notable things here. I didn't come anywhere close to my daily revenue, which I hope to be at 200, and I'm way short of that at 8605. Part of that is due to I'm being very conservative on my strike prices, and I'm increasing the ask for those contracts above the current bid. So what I'm doing there, as you can see from this chart above, I had, let's see, 25 contracts that were sold and never exercised. Now that money goes straight to the bottom line, if you will, and it allows me to keep selling a large number of contracts. Everything about this is contrarian in nature. When the market goes down, I do better, but my liquidation value also drops. If I were planning to liquidate, I'm not. My account is strictly for the purpose of generating income, which it's doing a good job of that. Now, when the price does eventually go back up, and given that economic outlook, I'm not sure that's going to happen anytime soon, which is fine. I just soon it drift around this level so I can sell more and more contracts. So if it takes several weeks or months even for the stock market to recover from this recession it's going into, then that's fine with me. So as in one of my articles on my website, I talked about the liquidation value of the account, and like if a 401k or whatever investment you may have, it'll go up and down with the market. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about the revenue it will produce and the number of contracts I can cover. So in that regard, it was a good transaction set. It ran 20 days. Now that includes non-business days. In other words, that includes the weekend. If you took out the weekends, then my daily premium revenue would be a good deal larger. But just to keep it consistent from one transaction set to another, I allow it to include the weekends. Also, it takes less programming to do that too. Okay, and orders, I placed, I could not place 25. I couldn't cover 25 put contracts this time because it is a higher strike price of $6 instead of $5.50. If that's filled at 30 cents, that'll bring in a bit over $700. So I'm okay with that. All right. If you have questions, please put them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a nice weekend, and let's all make some money next week. I believe, and I'll verify it on the edit, that Monday may be a federal holiday. If that's the case, the market will be closed, and we'll have a short trading week, and that will impact the premiums. Typically, you get less premiums for a 4-day risk than you do a 5-day risk. So all's fair, I reckon. Well, it's going to be a beautiful day down here. It's going to be 79. And then we're going to go into a warm spell where this coming week we'll get at least one day at 90 degrees. Central Florida. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you like the recordings, hit like. That helps me shape the future ones. And on my website, and the links are in the description below, I have 1,001 web pages. A lot of information there. And I certainly hope you'll visit it.